So I'm at Santorini Canyon, just arrived. Look at this place. I'm going to show you the 2 rooms in a minute. Let's have a look down here. Oh my goodness, that's why it's called Canyon, because it's a canyon. It's amazing. Right, so this is the first room. Look at this. It's amazing. Big TV. You have a disco ball. Oh, look at that big bed. Rainbow shower. Wow. Look at this. Even the toilet is amazing. Let's do a bed jump test. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Wardrobe space. Vanity desk. Fridge with water. Kettle and a coffee machine. Let's go in the next room. And here's the next room. Look at this. TV. Oh, there's a big TV in the other room, as you probably saw. It's all in white, the other one's black. A beautiful room. Look at this. I won't do a bed test on this because it's the same bed. Yeah, it's not my bed, so I don't want to just jump on it. This one's tea, coffee. Hang your stuff up. This is in red. Red shower. Towels. If you want to book this, I think it was booking.com. Yes, it was. And I think we've got a free cocktail coming as well. This is nice. It's a good choice I made. Here come the cocktails. Free cocktails with your stay. What's your name again?
My name is Stratos, and this is your Mastiha cocktail.
There we are.
You can pick one.
He's the biggest one.
The biggest one.
Thank you.
Okay.
I was the first one here. I'll pick the biggest.
The glass fridge is not the big one. So this is a Mastiha cocktail. The alcohol on it is called Mastiha.
Mastiha. Real alcohol. Cheers. No, what's it again? What's cheers?
Cheers, yamas.
That's it. Yamas.
Yamas. Okay, let's grab it.
Oh, that's good. This is the way to the restaurants in the little village place of, I'm not even sure because I've just got here. Leslie will know. Oh, full of hills. But hey ho. Part of the beauty. I'm shattered. I've been walking 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, probably 1 minute. Oh, look at that place. Everywhere's beautiful. Here's your ramps, your wheelchair, a one wheel wheelchair. You've got to go this way. So that's where we are. Fira. Fira town. Yeah, I might stop breathing heavy in a minute. I'm looking for a restaurant called Kokkalo. Apparently it's only 25 euros for a meal, which is good because yesterday 500 flipping euros for 4. Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, glad I wasn't paying. Apparently once we're up that slope there, well, we've got another slope to get up. It's all flat. Got to go up here first by the looks of it. Right, we're at the top. It's flat up here. Right, I found the restaurant. He did say go this way. So this is what he calls flat. He said it's all flat up here. So this is where we're going for dinner. So these are the prices. They look a bit better than yesterday, anyway. Right, so we're here. Kokkalo. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it. We've got Greek and local cuisine here. Idea for those who seek to taste original Greek food and enjoy looking at the sea. I've got a proper beer. What's this beer called again? What's the name of this beer? Alpha Sea Salt beer. There we go. Very good. Yes. Thank you very much. That looks good.
Chicken flat?
Thank you. Look at this. Look at this dinner over here. Pork. What is it called? Pork steak. Look at that. There's some chicken. That's not much. Look at this lovely burger. Look at this. Wow. I didn't get any burger. Fat coming out of the burger. That's a good bit. Okay. Sometimes I do food reviews, and this burger's awesome. Very good, very good. Right, I'm still cold. I put my hood off. I'm in the town now. Just getting to the town of Fira, is it? Cannabis shop. Is cannabis legal here?